ado, let's all rise and give our warmest welcome to Team Atomic founder, mentor, Jet Montero! Amazing morning, Team Atomic Worldwide! Hindi man yan malaki ngayon, pero darating ang time pag nagtuloy-tuloy ka, magugulat ka na lang. Ang laki na ng resulta mo. Ang Panginoon, ibibigay po niya yan. In the right time, the right timing.
Sino naniniwala next year, gandito ka pa din? Tama ba? Kailangan nandito ka pa rin, diamond ka na.
Amazing morning, Team Atomic Worldwide! What about a big hand, everybody?
Happy first anniversary, Team Atomic Mega Momentum! Woo!
Nilagay ka niya sa mundong to dahil gusto niyang maranasan mo yung ganda ng creation niya.
Binigay niya yung first car natin. No? Kaya kung ako sa'yo, may pangarap ka, gusto mo, dapat kukunin mo siya.
When the time is right, sabi sa Isaiah 60:20, I, the Lord, will make it happen.
You are very blessed to be part of this momentous celebration. Despite of your busy schedules, you still made it possible to be here. That's why, once again, can you give yourself a big, big round of applause?
Starting this week, hindi ka mazizero ng e-wallet. Kailangan, kung ano ka ngayon, hindi na ikaw yan next month. Ang goal mo, everyday, you get better. You're a version better than yourself yesterday.
Consistency beats intensity. Gawin mo lang ang business sa araw-araw, magkakaresulta ka.
Kailangan mo maging successful dito kasi yan yung pinaka magiging charity mo sa mundong to. Kaya pilitin mo na maging successful ka talaga dito sa Iron Worldwide.
Ikaw, Mens, may pangarap ka. Dapat kukunin mo.
Bibigay ni Lord yung nararapat at para sa'yo.
You are made for success.
Don't give up! Never give up! See you at the top!